And
My name is Lovemore Mutasa. I'm a law student at Africa University. My ICT lecturer is Mr. N Maphosa. I'm going to talk about data protection laws. The first issue I have to advert to is, what is data protection? What is data? Data is essentially any information held in a computer or in a non-computerized filing system. Why information is organized in such a way as to make specific information relating to a particular person readily accessible. So the primary concern for data protection laws is to safeguard personal information and to ensure that those who process data do so within the parameters of the law or within the confines of the law. So data protection laws are designed to guarantee the rights of data subjects in respect of personal information. So the data protection laws are there to give data subjects control of their personal information and to consent to the dissemination of that information. So data subjects must know who is collecting data, and for what purpose data is being collected, and where it's going to be disseminated to. These are the rights. So the data collection, data laws are intertwined with the constitutional right to privacy, which is also enshrined in our constitution. As I have said, this is a new legal terrain, and there is dearth of authorities on this subject. But we have some countries which spearheaded the enactments of laws protecting personal data. Countries like Sweden, Germany, France, and the United States of America, and also UK. UK enacted the Data Protection Act well before other countries. Zimbabwe, I should say, we are a leading nation in that we were one of the first countries to enact a Data Protection Act in the form of IPA, Access to Information in Protection of Privacy Act. That is IPA, which was repealed. And we now have the Data Protection Act. The Data Protection Act does not explicitly protect data. It protects data according to the Constitution. It protects data in limited aspects. In other words, we don't have an act which adequately protects data. I can say our acts are protect data in a fragmented way. We have other acts which also protect data. For instance, we have the Freedom of Information Act, 1. Number 2, Postal and Telecommunication Act and regulations. We also have the Banking Act. We also have the Consumer Act. We also have National Registration Act, Census and Statistics Act, and the Courts and Adjudication Authorities Act. This one is of interest because when court are deciding divorce matters, there is a lot of personal information involved, especially in children. So we have got this act, which is a very important act. courts can actually prevent people from attending. Courts can hear divorce matters in what can you call it? In the absence of parties, in camera. In camera, yes. That is the right term. In camera. And it can also prohibit publication of the divorce proceedings. The aim is to protect personal data. As I've said, this is a subject which is quite new. It's a new terrain, and we are, I think technology is moving faster than developments in law. The law is moving at a snail's pace as far as protection of data is concerned. As I've said, we don't have much authorities on that, on the issue of data protection. As I've alluded to, the acts, to our local acts, which protect data. I think these are my submissions as far as Data Protection Act is concerned.